Oh, they both are.
Okay. Hi, we're tourists, obviously. Is there a way to get to like a good spot to take a picture of the mountains over here?
From right here?
I mean, like not right here. We could take a walk, but we're just trying to get a little closer.
Are you staying right around here?
Yeah, we're right across the street.
This is probably...
Is this it?
The best view right here.
Okay.
Got it.
We just got in yesterday. We're pretty excited, but yeah.
So you'd have to...
Got it.
I mean,
but by car, maybe getting around to the other side would be a way too?
Yeah, if you went by car, I mean...
Are there trails up there?
So not right up here behind the school. You could go down, there's a park down on the bar. There's a park there.
What's it called?
Muldoon Bar.
Oh.
Okay.
Intersection.
Oh,
But
okay.
it's like off Muldoon and, or the barn, I think it's Boston Street or something.
Boston Street.
Okay.
Okay.
Chance New Park.
We're off of Oklahoma, so we're not very far. Yeah.
There's a park down there with some trails that go a little farther east. There's actual running.
Gotcha.
Oh,
Okay.
Might want to steer clear of that.
Yeah. If you were gonna do the hikes or something like that,
Yeah.
there's a lot of stuff out in the river, or you look up like Chugach State Park Trail.
We heard, yeah,
Okay.
but isn't that a bit of a drive from here?
Well, there's a lot of trailheads like you go to the road, and there's a
Remember that.
Campbell Airstrip Road.
Okay.
You go there and you follow that road, and kind of wind back to the mountains. There are trailheads back there.
That's what we kind of
Awesome.
want. Yeah,
All
just
right.
trails, just a little bit closer over there. Yeah. Okay. Well, thank you very much. We're from Virginia. We just got in, so first time. Thank you.
Awesome. Hey, thanks so much.
Well,
man.
let's go that way.
Oh,
It's-
that's beautiful.
Oh my God, we couldn't have. We lucked out.
100% humidity, so this is great.
Yeah, we were like 93 degrees when we left. So this is perfect.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Let's go that way then.
Good to know.
The bugs.
They're starting, yeah, I know.
And by that I mean let's go home.
Huh?
I said by that I mean let's go home, and then we'll go that way. I mean like later. That's way far down. I know. I've already seen that road. That's way far down. Oh my God, the bug. Yep, the bugs are here. The bugs are here.
They're starting.
Uh huh.